leading anesthesiologist from India, talks about his education and experience. He specializes in infection control and has been working as anesthesia specialist for more than 10 years.
I'm a graduate from Amritsar Medical College way back in 1972, so my background is extensive. In anesthesia, I'm there from 77 onwards, so almost 33 years of experience. I have the administrative experience for last 10 years. I was also the director of anesthesia and pain management and ICU in Max Healthcare. And today I am working as the medical director and the head of the Department of Anesthesia and Pain Management. It's a proposed 550-bedded hospital. It's the biggest corporate hospital of northern or northwest part of Delhi. 258 beds is the building what you are seeing constructed. It has got specific areas where it specializes, that is the neurosurgical area, the cardiac area, the gastrointestinal area, the intensive care area, neonatology, and it has laparoscopic surgeries as one of the important highlights, along with the intensive care facilities. We've got about 19-bedded surgical ICU and a 21-bedded medical ICU along with isolation rooms. The ICUs here are to the international standards as per the area specification. It's a protocol-oriented hospital, quality being as the top area which is being monitored and practiced round the clock, that is 24/7. And I think we want to make a mark not only in this area, in Delhi and across the world, as a hospital where protocols are followed and quality-oriented results are given. You see, if you will come across this hospital, you walk across the ICUs and even in the wards, you will find hand hygiene will be practiced at each and every step. Not only it is practiced, it is monitored, documented and reviewed on regular basis. All our activities inside the hospital, whichever activity it may be, if that's an invasive procedure, every activity in the hospital is constantly monitored. We have 2 infection control nurses who monitor each and every patient round the clock. Every intravenous line, whether it is a peripheral line or a central line or it's a urinary catheter or a patient is on ventilator, all aspects are monitored to prevent infection, and in the event of any infection taking place, that also is documented, monitored and audited. So as a result, if we find somewhere we have gone wrong in any of our practices, we improve. Super specialties where we are going to focus as far as international patient is concerned is, it's a hospital which is going to work as a cardiac center where both the cardiology and the cardiovascular surgery is going to be a dominant field. Neurosurgical procedures and the interventional neuroradiology is going to figure once again. Joint replacement is another area where we can entertain our international patient, and I think the satisfaction of these joint replacement patients is going to be, I will say, far superior than what you'll find in any other hospital, because our patients practically walk in with pain and walk out without pain. So that is a great experience which an international patient is likely to face. Then our gastrointestinal surgery department is an excellent department where we have highly trained people who are going to deliver very good results, and in due course of time we are heading probably for renal transplant and liver transplant in due course of time. This is a hospital which has got 13 operation theatres. We have on one floor 8 operation theatres which are all made to the international specifications and very well equipped operation theatres where we can probably deliver the best which can be done in any part of the world. It's a specific hospital which is going to promote a daycare center, and as we know, the daycare surgeries are on the increase. So this is a hospital which will have edge, especially for international patients who probably will be able to stay even in a hotel if they have to come for small procedures from abroad. They get their job done and go back to the settings in the hotel and be more comfortable, and they can come back next day if a follow-up is required.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com, for a free quote and more information.